Tired and bored after being cooped up at home? Thinking about putting on your travel shoes? Well, be ready for serpentine queues and crowded terminals at airports. With the second COVID wave ebbing and vaccinations reaching the 100 crore mark, air travel is catching up with the pre-pandemic levels. With the onset of festive season, Indians are ready to leave town. Advance bookings for Diwali have seen a whopping 450% jump in advance bookings. Festive season bookings are close to 90% of the pre-COVID levels.
We talked about revenge travel all the time, but now is the time when we actually see it kick in. For example, during the long weekend of Ganesh Chaturthi, we saw 65% more bookings. And for Dussehra, we were seeing somewhere around 53% more bookings. The leisure travel is not just back, but it is gone beyond pre-COVID numbers, according to me. Corporate MSME travel is somewhere around 70 to 90% of what it was. And corporate IT travel is basically where I think it's probably at 40 to 50% of what it was before.
Domestic air travel has taken off in September and is expected to increase even more during the festive season. Airlines carried over 70 lakh passengers in September compared to around 50 lakh in July. Banking on the ongoing festive season, travel aggregator websites are doling out discounts for travelers. While Ease My Trip is offering 12% off up to 2,021 rupees on domestic flights, Make My Trip 2 is giving a 21% off on domestic flights. So where are Indians heading to? Within the country, Leh Ladakh, Rajasthan, Goa and Andaman are among the top picks.
Life is coming back to normal for all of us. There is such a large demand for domestic travel specifically to most of the destinations. And it's not going to be just Bombay or Delhi or Jaipur or Goa. I mean, there are people who are willing to travel into the hills in Uttarakhand. People are exploring Northeast. People are looking at Andaman. I think what India, probably the customers which never thought about domestic travel have suddenly want to go because of obvious reasons.
Interestingly, while 3 and 4 star hotels still have vacancies, top-tier hotels are already fully booked for the festive season. Meanwhile, the government may also do away with airfare caps by the end of this month. The last remaining sign of the troubled pandemic times. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.